Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. So today we are going to be looking at Yearn Finance or YFI. YFI is currently at the $10,000 level. We are currently ranked at 235 with a market cap of around $366. And so today we are basically going to be looking at some shocking data which is showing up right here for YFI. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. So in the last 1 week, as you can see, YFI is up 15.1%. And without further ado, let us push to the chart, right? So we are right here on the chart for YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the daily time frame. Binance is the data source, right? So one of the huge things we have been saying right here for YFI, for a few of you who were with us, was that we were very, very bullish on YFI. And as you can see right here from the $5,000 level, we're saying anything that makes us break above this level of the 5,000, expect to see higher price targets. And as you can see, we broke that level, saw this sort of massive push even towards that $14,000 level. But in our last update, we were saying that in every bull run, we usually see some little pullbacks. We saw that pullback, and as you can see right here, we are seeing this sort of bounce, right? And basically we held the support of the 11,000. We were starting to say our next target first is the 22,000, then the 25,000. But why are we still bullish? One of the major reasons we continue to remain bullish right here is this chart right here, which is called the volume profile. So the volume profile helps us to show, or shows us what is happening behind the scenes between the relationship between buyers and sellers, right? So in the volume profile, we have right here the volume, and then we have the momentum which interprets the volume, right? And so one of the things we can notice right here on the volume profile right here was that volume profile turned very, very bullish right here in August when YFI was still around that $5,000 level. And since then, momentum has been in favor of the bulls right here. And we have been very, very bullish right here on YFI on the channel. For some of you that has been watching with us, you would know we have been very bullish. And as you can see, we have been buying YFI from those $5,000 level. And we said so far the volume profile continues to remain bullish. We are bullish, and as you can see right here, even with this pullback, the volume profile continues to show that prices are bullish, and we should continue to expect higher price targets for the price of YFI. And as you can see right here, we are still bullish, expecting higher price targets. So do not get scared. I got some calls or text messages saying that, oh, should I sell out? No, we are still bullish, expecting higher price targets right here for YFI. Thank you for watching and have a blessed week.